Hello, Christine. Let's check this out. We're going to multiply this mess using the rule for the square of a binomial. Now what that is FOIL. Okay, and hopefully you came across this by now in the videos, but FOIL stands for the first, the outside, the inside, and the last. So that's how we're going to multiply this out. Now what this means, we have a binomial square. We have two terms, 7 and negative t, but it's twice. So really how we have to think about this is we have to write it down twice. Alright, so nice, got to write it twice. This is the same as that. Now a lot of people want to see this and go, oh well that's like 49 minus t squared, right? We square the 7, square the t. No, doesn't work out that way because we have two terms here that we're multiplying. So let's do the first terms first. This is going to be 7 times 7, and there's our 49 right there. Okay, let me write FOIL again just so we can see it. So we did our f. Now we're going to do our outside terms. Let me erase. Our outside terms is going to be 7 times negative t. And remember, we always look to the left of that term to figure out what the sign is. So here there is no sign, so we assume it's positive. 7 times negative t is negative 7t. Now we're going to do the inside. Same deal, negative 7t. Because again, it's just like this is a negative 1, right? So it's 7 times negative 1 gives us negative 7, and the t comes along. I'm making a mess of this. Let me erase some. I'll write it again. Okay, minus t. There we go. So now we'll do our last, which is going to be negative t times negative t. Now two negatives make a positive, and that's going to give us positive t squared. T times t is t squared. So when we multiply, we're dealing with exponents. When we add or subtract, we would call that 2t, right? That's not the case here, so don't confuse that. Our next step, we can just combine these like middle terms. So I have 49 minus 14t plus t squared. Okay, remember minus 7 is minus 14. Here we're not multiplying, we're just adding. So we just add the coefficients. Those are the numbers before the variable. The variable just comes along, and this is going to be our final answer. Okay, hope that helps. If it doesn't, let me know.